I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your body and mind. Warm up 5–10 minutes to protect joints and increase range. Once warmed, lock onto the beat by clapping counts 1 through 8 so timing becomes physical. Then learn 2 basic steps and perform them slowly for 10 repetitions, focusing on foot placement and weight transfer. Make sure to keep posture tall and knees soft. This first cycle builds coordination and immediate progress. So repeat until the steps feel confident and rhythm feels steady. You now deepen skill through focused drills and repetition. Isolate footwork, arms, and core for 30 seconds each to strengthen muscle memory. Next, chunk choreography into 4-bar sections and practice each chunk 5 times, connecting them only when transitions feel natural. Once done, record a 1 to 2 minute clip or use a mirror to spot posture leaks and timing errors. This external feedback accelerates correction. Make sure to alternate slow, precise runs with tempo increases so technique remains controlled under speed. You finish by polishing details and simulating a real performance. Add accents, facial expression, and musicality to turn moves into moments. Then run full performance-style rehearsals 3 times with short breaks to manage endurance and nerves. If something breaks down, stop and isolate that exact phrase. Slow it to 50% speed, fix the mechanics, then gradually return to tempo. Make sure to cool down and stretch after final runs. This preserves mobility and helps you consolidate the improvements for next practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.